welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be trying as much as possible to be quick. This video is for my new Poppo users, okay, and beginners on Poppo. So I got a lot of people that joined these few days using my referral link, and they've been chatting me up on Poppo as well, that I should do a detailed tutorial for them, that basically they do not understand the app, and that's why I am here to give them all of the breakdown that they actually need, what you need to do as a beginner on Poppo, how you need to withdraw your money, and every other stuff that you need to know as Poppo generally. Okay, so the first thing you need to do as a beginner on Poppo is to do what? Is to do your live stream tax. First, before I will go to your live stream tax, I'm going to be showing you where you are supposed to be collecting all your reward. You see this reward button here? These are all the places that every reward that you've done in the day are going to be accumulated. The ones you've not done, people will also notify you that you've not done these ones. You can see that these are my today reward. I did not do them because of the sake of this video, okay? So you can also see this my invite reward that I was supposed to receive and the rest of that. So to every reward that you get to perform, these are places you're going to be receiving your coins from. And once you receive your coins from this place, automatically it is going to be added to where you're going to be cashing out. Okay, so yeah, if you're just hearing Poppo live stream for the first time, check in the description box if you want to join. Use my link to join. Let me know that you've joined so that I can also walk you hand in hand. I told you guys that I got you covered for those ones that will be joining, and that's why I'm doing this detailed tutorial. So right now I have 829,000 coins. Let me just say 829,000 coins, and this is like $82 dollars. So every 10,000 coins you're going to be getting $1. So after all of that being said, the first thing you need to do is to click on this place called live. You can see all of these people, they are live streaming here. What they are doing here is basically live stream, and what you're also going to be doing is what? To live stream on Poppo. Okay, so if you click on the live, you're going to be clicking on this particular live here, and once you click on this particular live, it is just going to be like this. Okay, this is the interface where you get to put your chatting, your singing, your dancing, and every other stuff. You're going to click on I accept, this under one here close to this down part of the live stream, and then before you click on go live. If you are not able to go live, because some persons chatted me up and said they are not able to go live, that is because you have not done your face authentication. So if you have not done your face authentication, you cannot go live. So after the live stream, you're going to be stay on this live stream for 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour, you are going to log out after 1 hour, and once you log out, you're going to go back to this place that I show you, this your reward stuff, and you're going to be accepting your reward there. So the second thing you are going to be doing is to join a party as a new person on Poppo. These are different parties that people are hosting here, that you can actually choose any of the party that you want to join. Okay, joining a party is as simple as ABCD. All you need to do is to look for a party that you can actually sit on the crown seat, and once you sit on the crown seat, which is this one, that is the crown seat is this 2, 3, and 4. Once you sit on this crown seat, you are going to also wait until you have your coins accumulated. Then you go to your reward, and if you don't want to go to your reward, you can just check this 3 dots line that is here, and you can also check this reward button. If you click on this reward button here, it is also going to load all your reward of your party, so that you can check how many minutes you've spent and the rest of that. And you are going to be staying on this your party for 1 hour as well. Okay, so if you stay for 1 hour, you can see sit on the crown seat for 400 coins. Initially it was 800, they have to reduce it to 400. Okay, so you are now going to receive it as well. So once you receive it, I always advise people that you can also look for a party that something is happening, just like the way these people are just seated here and you can sit. So if you are on this party, this is the next thing that you should also consider. This your treasure coins. Okay, this place you're seeing this treasure box counting all of these coins here is something you should consider. Once you're seeing the countdown, and you can see 3 minutes 49 seconds remaining. Once it's done countdown, it will just shake like this, and then you're going to click on it and accept all your coins. Why are you accepting all of those coins? All of those coins you are going to be accepting from your treasure box will be accumulated here, where you're seeing these 2,762 coins, where you can be able to do what? 1, gamble. 2, supports people as well, and 3, you can use it to do exchange, okay? And of which, if you want to gamble or you want to do anything, you can go ahead and click on Lucky for gambling for new persons. But as a new person, I don't advise you to do that now. You have to study the system and how everything work before you can be able to gamble, okay? And another thing again is you can get people to join your fan club, okay? So these are gifts from fan club, and once people join your fan club, all the coins, they are going to be accumulating, and it will be on your own end for as much as people joining your fan club. So let's go back. Let me show you the next thing to do. The next thing to do again, you see this game tab that you are seeing, you can also click on it and play game on Poppo as a new person. So, but the first thing I advise you is learn this gaming of a thing and know how it works before you can also go ahead to like play this game, okay? So after that, the next part that you are supposed to check as a Poppo person is to invite people, okay? And I've emphasized more about inviting. How do you invite people? All you need to do is to click on this invite and copy your link. For as many people as you are going to be inviting, Poppo is supposed to give you $14 per invite. But that $14, there is how it's being break down in details, and I've been able to explain all of the processes that you need to get all of this to your account as a new person on Poppo, okay? That's why I'm actually telling you this. So it is very, very important for you. You can see that I've invited over 306 persons, and you can see that I've claimed over $55 for invites, and Poppo just alerted me now that I have another 10,000 coins, which is $1 that I'm still supposed to claim. This dollar came from this person that actually performed her tax. Thank you so much to all of you performing your tax. So it is not just by inviting people that you will start getting all of this $14. It is by them performing their tax. So what am I supposed to do now? I'm going to click on this receive, and once I click on this receive, I click on confirm, and you can see that now I have 560,000 coins that I've received, which is automatically $56. And now this, you can see that it's added already to where I am going to be cashing out. So you guys remember that the initial time I started this live stream, my money was $82. Right now it is $83.90. Okay, so this is $83.90. So this is the good part of you inviting. You can just sit down one day, and then you just, the person that you did not you invite will just do their stuff, and you're just getting your money. Okay, so that's why I emphasize more on invites, okay? Because even if you don't want to be doing all of your tax, you don't want to be performing your tax, just by invite alone, sometimes I just cash out just by invite alone on this app, okay? So if you are just hearing Poppo for the first time and you've not joined, please check in the description. My link is there. Join Poppo. Let me know that you join Poppo. Let me walk you hand in hand on this Poppo. Then the next thing you're supposed to do as a new person on Poppo is to join an agency. Okay, and how do you join an agency? When you come to your profile, the same way I am on my profile, you just need to go to this place. You're seeing this, my agency, and click on my agency. And there is no other agency that I can recommend for you if not King Richie's agency, because this guy is just the best agency. If you have joined King Richie's agency and he has been treating you well, please drop a comment in the comment section, because I know that I've gotten a lot of feedback. I've given King Richie's agency more than 100 people to join his agency. Right from the day I joined this guy agency, it was a change and a turnaround for me, and I don't joke with that. So now, if you want to join Kikuchi's agency, you need to type this ID wherever your ID is, which is 3970534. Once you join the agency, tell him you are coming from Miss Sonia. He's going to be working you hand in hand on what you are going to be doing and explaining every other stuff that you don't know for you in details. He's also going to teach you how to play games on Poppo, because that guy based on playing of game. You can imagine a guy that most of his income are coming directly from this side. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's another thing that you are supposed to join as a Poppo person. The next thing you should also be considering is, how can people join your fan club? Once people get to join your fan club, you get to make money from Poppo, okay? So these are people's fan club that I've joined, and these are also my fan club as well, okay? Right now, I have 0 members here because I have no longer been active like before. But I've still been active on people's fan club, and these people are making money. If I want to renew now, you can see that if I click on renew, it is going to take me to 2,000 coins, and these 2,000 coins will last for 30 days, and it is going to sit on those people's accounts. So you can also tell people to join your fan club as well. So basically, as a new person on Poppo, these are the things that you have to do on Poppo. If you want to look for me with my ID 3422724, or just type Miss Sonia 55. You're going to be seeing me on Poppo. If you have any other question, just ask me. So Poppo is an app that you can live stream, you can perform some tasks and cash out. I've talked a lot about Poppo, and the good part again I love about it is you are going to be getting 1,530 naira what for what per $1. You guys get what I'm trying to say? So if you have not joined Poppo or you're planning to join Poppo, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, my link is there. So go ahead and use my referral link to join Poppo, and trust me, you are going to be happy. And the good part again I love about Poppo, or the most interesting part I love about Poppo, is that you can withdraw with your local bank account. So anything that gives me joy to withdraw my local bank account, I love that so much. So join Poppo today and thank me later. Okay, I hope this video is able to help someone. If it's able to help someone, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't also forget to drop me your comments. If you have understood what I said, also let me know in the comment section. If you have any other question, we can also interact in the comment section so that I can be able to walk you more hand in hand, so that at the end of the day you are going to be cashing out on Poppo. So thank you so much for staying stick and who could make to the end of this video. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye guys. I love you. Mwah.